Vegetables. Vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet. They come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. Eating vegetables is good for our body because they provide us with many essential nutrients. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and they are low in fat and calories. This makes them a great choice for anyone who wants to stay healthy and strong. Vegetables are important because they help our body in many ways. They provide nutrients that help us grow, stay strong, and fight off diseases. Different vegetables have different nutrients, so it is important to eat a variety of them. Here are some reasons why vegetables are so important for our health. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Vegetables are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals. For example, carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is good for our eyes. Spinach has a lot of iron, which helps our blood carry oxygen. Broccoli is full of vitamin C, which helps our immune system. Low in calories. Vegetables are naturally low in calories, which makes them a great food for anyone who wants to maintain a healthy weight. You can eat a lot of vegetables without gaining weight. This is because they're filling but have very few calories compared to other foods like sweets or fried snacks. High in fiber. Vegetables are also high in fiber, which helps our digestion. Fiber helps keep our digestive system working properly, and it prevents problems like constipation. Eating vegetables regularly helps us stay regular and feel good. Protect against diseases. Vegetables are packed with antioxidants, which help protect our body from harmful substances. Eating a lot of vegetables can help reduce the risk of diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even some types of cancer. The nutrients in vegetables help our body stay strong and fight off illnesses. There are many different types of vegetables, and each type has its own unique benefits. Some vegetables grow above the ground, while others grow below. Let's look at some of the common types of vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are very healthy. They are rich in vitamins and minerals and are usually low in calories. Examples of leafy green vegetables include spinach, kale, lettuce, and cabbage. These vegetables are good for our bones, heart, and immune system. Spinach. Spinach is high in iron, calcium, and vitamin K. It helps our bones stay strong and supports healthy blood. Kale. Kale is full of antioxidants and vitamin C. It is good for our skin and helps protect our body from illnesses. Lettuce. Lettuce is often used in salads. It is light, refreshing, and full of water, which helps keep us hydrated. Root vegetables. Root vegetables grow underground. They are rich in nutrients like fiber and carbohydrates, which give us energy. Examples of root vegetables include carrots, potatoes, beets, and sweet potatoes. Carrots. Carrots are high in vitamin A, which helps improve our vision. They also help keep our skin healthy. Potatoes. Potatoes are a good source of energy. They have potassium, which helps control blood pressure. Beets. Beets are rich in fiber and antioxidants. They help improve our blood circulation and keep our heart healthy. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are known for their ability to protect our body from diseases. Examples of cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Broccoli. Broccoli is full of vitamin C, fiber, and calcium. It helps boost our immune system and strengthens our bones. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in calories but high in fiber. It helps improve digestion and can be used in many different recipes. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin K, which is important for bone health. They're also high in antioxidants. Some vegetables are technically fruits, but we often use them as vegetables in cooking. These vegetables have seeds and are usually full of vitamins and minerals. Examples include tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and pumpkins. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C and potassium. They help protect our heart and are good for our skin. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are full of water, which helps keep us hydrated. They are also rich in vitamin K. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in many colors, like red, yellow, and green. They are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help protect our body from damage. There are many ways to eat vegetables. You can eat them raw, cooked, or even blended into a smoothie. Here are some popular ways to include vegetables in your diet. Salads. Salads are a simple and delicious way to eat vegetables. You can mix leafy greens with other vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. Adding a healthy dressing can make the salad even more tasty. Stir frying. Stir frying is a quick and easy way to cook vegetables. You can stir fry broccoli, bell peppers, and spinach with a little oil and garlic for a tasty meal. Roasting. Roasting vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and Brussels sprouts brings out their natural sweetness. You can season them with herbs and spices for added flavor. Soups and stews. Vegetables are often used in soups and stews. You can add a variety of vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery to make a hearty and healthy soup. Smoothies. You can blend vegetables like spinach or kale into a smoothie. Adding fruits like bananas or berries can make the smoothie taste sweet and refreshing while still being healthy. It is important to eat enough vegetables every day. Experts recommend eating at least 2 to 3 cups of vegetables each day. This can be a mix of different types of vegetables to make sure we get all the nutrients we need. The more variety we have in our diet, the better for our health. Eating vegetables regularly has many benefits. Here are some of the key advantages of eating vegetables. Improved health. Vegetables help improve our overall health. They are full of nutrients that our body needs to function properly. Better digestion. The fiber in vegetables helps our digestive system work well. It prevents constipation and keeps our gut healthy. Healthy skin. Many vegetables, like carrots and bell peppers, are rich in vitamins that help keep our skin clear and glowing. Lower risk of diseases. Eating a lot of vegetables can help lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. The antioxidants in vegetables help protect our cells from damage. Weight control. Vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber. This helps us feel full without overeating, which makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Conclusion: vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet. They provide our body with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help us stay strong and healthy. There are many different types of vegetables, each with its own benefits. By eating a variety of vegetables every day, we can improve our health, protect our body from diseases, and enjoy delicious, nutritious meals. Making vegetables a regular part of our diet is one of the best things we can do for our body.